Good morning student, myself Kher Singh from Jayotri Academy. Today we'll discuss class 10 subject SST Economics chapter 2nd sector of Indian economy. Firstly we discuss organized sector. Organized sector are those type of sector where government have been directly involved and government have been assured to work and regular payment. They are registered by the government and have to follow the rules and regulation given laws by the government, such as Factories Act, Minimum Wages Act, and Payment and Gratuity Act. Those type of benefits will be provided by the government due to formal process, due to government involvement, that they are assured to provide job and they have been fulfill the need of the employees coming on that particular organized sector. Some people work in own, but they too have registered with government. Some people have been work in that particular places and government. If you have been registered by the government have been provide the benefits. So different types of organized sector have been very helpful for the employees. The employees have been job surety and lifetime they have been take benefit of that this particular organized sector. So thereafter different types of benefit to the worker in organized sector. Some benefit have been provided by the organized sector through the government. Worker in this sector enjoys security of the government. Job security will be one of the most important benefit of this sector. They have been every employee have been fixed number of hours. You can do work in a fixed number of hours and you will take the wages or you will take the salary. If the employee can do more work, they have been prepared to the overtime. So they have been provide different types of holiday payment, provident fund, gratuity, medical benefits they have been provide, and the employee have been working in the safe environment, and thereafter retirement pension have been also provided. So that are there, this is the benefit of the organized sector. Those have been fully controlled by the government and government have been proper take care of your life. Thereafter we will discuss the unorganized sector. Unorganized sector are those type of sector where the government have been not involved. The government rules and regulation have been present but they have been not followed. Jobs are low paid, not in regular work. Job have been very less income. No benefit other than salary have been provided in unorganized sector. No benefit other than salary. Thereafter if you can do less work, thereafter the people may be leave and the people have been unemployed. Those type of unorganized sector people have been not earn more and more, and they have been very big problem for their surviving, and they have been live in the society for very minimum level of earning. So different types of street sellers and the farmers, those have been also coming in that particular unorganized sectors. So organized sector have been provide regular and assured work, and the organized sector have been fully government controlling, and organized sector have been salary, medical fund, and different types of allowances have been provided. Organized sector have been different types of Factories Act, Minimum Wages Act, and payment of gratuity have been provided. In unorganized sector, no regular work, that's why low income, no earning, low paid work, and no benefits other than salary. Salary is the only source of earning. No payment of holiday. If you have been leave any holiday, thereafter your payment have been deducted. No benefit of medical fund, gratuity, and other types of payment have been provided. Okay, thank you very much.